So in this Zillow tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to adjust bathroom requirements here on Zillow. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Zillow application. Once it's opened up, go to the top right and go to the filters tab here on your home screen. So go to the top right and press on the filters tab. And if you keep scrolling down, so right below where it says calculate your budget, it says bedrooms. If you keep scrolling down, it'll say bathrooms right here, and simply just press on any. Then you can get this drop down menu, so you can go, any bathrooms, 1+ bathrooms, all the way up to 4+ bathrooms. So for example, if you're looking for a house or a condo with 2+ bathrooms in it, simply just press on that filter, then press on done. Then once that is done, go to the bottom, press on see results, and now you've now changed the bathroom requirements here on Zillow. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can adjust bathroom requirements here on Zillow. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.